Making sense of interest rates. A fun dive into fractions, decimals, and percentages. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting application of fractions, decimals, and percentages, interest rates. Yes, you heard it right. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and communicate about interest rates using English comfortably. So, let's get started. In simple terms, an interest rate is the cost of borrowing money. When you take out a loan or use a credit card, you have to pay back more than you borrowed. That extra amount is the interest, and the interest rate determines how much extra you'll need to pay. Usually, interest rates are expressed as a percentage. For example, if you borrow $100 at an interest rate of 5%, you'll need to pay back $105. So, where do fractions, decimals, and percentages come into play? Well, they're all different ways of expressing the same thing. A percentage is a fraction of 100. If an interest rate is 5%, that means 5 out of every 100. In decimals, it would be written as 0.05. So 5%, 5/100ths, and 0.05 are all the same. Now, let's practice converting between percentages, fractions, and decimals using interest rates as our examples. Suppose we have an interest rate of 7.5%. As a decimal, that would be 0.075. Just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. As a fraction, it would be 75/1000ths, which simplifies to 3/40ths. So remember, to convert a percentage to a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. To convert a decimal to a fraction, write it over 100, or 1000, 10,000, etc. depending on the number of decimal places, and then simplify if necessary. Interest rates are a real-world application of percentages, decimals, and fractions. They're used in banking, finance, and many other areas. If you understand interest rates, you can make better decisions about loans, savings, and investments. So, remember, understanding interest rates isn't just about math. It's about making informed financial decisions. And that brings us to the end of our session on interest rates and their connection with fractions, decimals, and percentages. Now, not only can you understand and speak about interest rates in English, but you also know how to convert these rates between different numerical formats. This skill will help you make informed financial decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these conversions until you're comfortable with them. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you in the next video. Happy learning!